Hello, this is James Fisher, and I'm going to be continuing my lessons on the mole. So we have question one. Question one says we have 84 grams of lithium chloride, which is a strong salt, and it is also an ionic compound, which means it has an element on the left, which is lithium, and it has an element on the right, which is chlorine, and they're plus and minus, and they really don't share electrons. They're just stuck together in a solid or geometrical pattern. So it says we have 84 grams of lithium chloride, and they are dissolved in water and result in a 500 ml solution. Cool. More water is then added to fill up 1 liter container. The final molarity of the solution is. So that's basically simple. We have molarity equaling moles over liters. So we have to do two things. First, we have to find out the moles and find the liters. Now, we have 84 grams, so that's going to be our moles formula, which is moles equaling grams divided by formula mass. Now we know the grams. They gave us the grams. The grams is 84. So we're going to write it over here. That's 84 grams. And we have to find the overall formula mass of lithium chloride. So if we go to the periodic table, you will find out that lithium chloride altogether, if we add up both the formula mass of lithium and the formula mass of chlorine, we're going to get a total of 42 grams per mole. And we do simple division, we're going to find out that that is 2 moles of lithium chloride. So now that we have our moles, we're going to do a simple division. We're going to have 2 moles per, well, they gave us 500 milligrams, so I'm just going to put 500 milligrams and I'm going to convert it to a liter. So I'm going to say since 1,000 milligrams equals 1 liter and I only have 500, I'm just going to say that this is half a liter. So I'm going to put 0.5. Once we do that, we're going to have 2 divided by 1/2, and we're going to get 4 molar concentration or solution. Now, for those individuals who may just like copying and not understanding the realm of chemistry, you're going to understand that this is incorrect for the simple reason that maybe we didn't read the problem carefully. So I'm going to read it again so you can get an understanding. The problem says if we have 84 grams of lithium chloride and they are dissolved in water and result in a 500 ml solution, more water is then added to fill up a 1 liter container. So we didn't even have to worry about the 500 milligrams because it says more water is added. So if we picture a beaker or a glass and we have already a 500 ml solution, it's already established that if we keep adding up a little bit of water, we're going to get to 1 liter. So this we didn't even have to worry about. All we had to do was take the 2, I'm going to write correct way. You guys can see that a little bit. I'm going to write the correct way right here. We have the moles correctly because we established the formula mass of lithium chloride and we established the 84 grams. But we only have to divide by 1 liter because it says it's already filled up to a liter. So there's no need to convert anything. So the correct answer is 2 molar solution of lithium chloride. So that was just for some individuals that may be just copying off of what I say, because at the end of the day I'm going to be putting some tricks and turns in there. So you really have to understand the concept. Understand that they asked us, they already told us that there is 1 liter filling up. So we don't need to understand, we don't need to really read the 500 mLs because there's assumed to be another amount of water that fills up to 1 liter, number one. And we have to understand that molarity equals moles over liters. And we also have to understand that moles equals the grams divided by the formula mass. So the formula mass was really the only thing that you might have had to look up on the periodic table. Everything else was child play. I mean, this is one of the easier problems just to give you an introduction into the realm of concentration and some of the questions that might be asked. So I'm going to go to the next problem now.